check out this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Evo Warm. It's a very nice looking watch face, full of information and everything is very legible. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. They're going to differ from one another, but you'll be able to see your time at a glance, as always, with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, this is what you're greeted with. Up at the top, you will get a meter for your battery info, which looks really nice. And you have another meter down at the bottom that's going to represent your step goal completed. So once you start to work out, that's going to light up as well. And you're going to get information on how many days of the year we have and also how many weeks into the year we have. And you're going to get your battery info and you're also going to get your heart rate. When you come down, you are going to get animated seconds over here with a nice moon phase. But what I really like is this big, bold digital time in the middle along with your date. Now down at the bottom, you're going to get your step status info as well. You're going to get info on calories burned, floors climbed, distance, miles walked or ran, and also your step info, which is right here. Now right up under the digital time, you will get the days of the week, and it's going to be highlighted in red to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. Not a bad look. But what I really like that adds some character to the watch face is the second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. Gives it somewhat of a hint of elegance to this digital watch face, which I thought looks nice. Now also, it is an active, so if I single tap right here, so I can set a shortcut, I can set a favorite if I like to, and I can tap right here and I can do the same thing. So I get two places where I can set a favorite just to make the watch face just that much more convenient. Also, if I tap right over here, I can go into my weather, which I thought was pretty nice. And if I tap over here, I could go into my calendar, set an event if I so choose. Also, if I tap up at the top, I could set an alarm, and also my heart rate information up at the top right here. So again, this is an awesome look by Shaz. I thought he did an awesome job. But of course, people, you can customize the digital time. Just double tap in the center and you can change the color to many different colors that Shaz give you. Now that's not it, because I could double tap down at the bottom and I could change the color theme some more just to mix and match the look however I see fit. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.